Hi car lovers, do you know that new generation cars do not actually come with a spare tire? What you're trying to demonstrate to you is where the emergency sealing kit is stored. Yes, they do come with an emergency sealing kit, but not a spare tire. Now, these are the two must-haves that you should have in case you get a flat tire. Always ensure that you have your glue and your compressor and sealant kit. Alright? This is a demonstration on how you're supposed to use it. Here is how you're supposed to insert the glue. At the bottom, there are two cables. One goes to the power outlet in the car and the other goes to the tire. That's the part that goes to the power outlet in the car. And the other goes to the wheel, the flat-tired wheel. Inside the car, you see a power outlet. We're supposed to insert the cable that goes to the power outlet. It is long enough to use both on the front and the back tire. The compressor and the sealant kit has a pressure gauge that helps you measure your tire pressure as it seals, so that you can drive for a few miles until you get to the next petrol station or somewhere to get your tire fixed. That's how you do it. Ensure it's completely sealed. Now insert the glue. The compressor and sealant kit have an on and off button. So you need to start the car first or start the engine, then turn it on for it to run and start sealing. As it seals, it measures the pressure. Once you're done, your pressure is okay, you can remove, and there you go. That's a demonstration that it gets to the back tire. It's long enough. If you're using the right tire, use it. If it's the left, use it. Now here's a little hack on how to check if your tire is removing pressure. You use water or your saliva EU, but I know it can save a day.